Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to get 99 percentile in the CMAT exam in 5 days. Now those who are thinking that 5 days is impossible, score 99 percentile, this and that, all the naysayers, please don't watch the video. Watch the video till the end to understand what I'm trying to say. So obviously those who are starting today for the first time opening the books, you can't get 99 in 5 days obviously. But those who have given CAT, other exams, or those who have been preparing for last few days or months or weeks, obviously you have to just fine tune your strategy and we can score 99 percentile. So first of all, 99 percentile doesn't mean 99 marks out of 100. 99 percentile is 250 marks out of 100. So 250 marks, if I take 252, 4 marks per question, divide by 4 kiya, so I just need to do 63 question correct. To get 63 question correct, my attempt should be around 80. So if you are crossing 80 attempt, which trust me you can easily do, you are getting 99 percentile. Okay. So let's go section by section. So मेरा paper start हुआ. So ideal section to start with should be verbal or logic. Okay, that's my recommendation, and we'll put a timer to this. So my advice is start your paper with the verbal section or the logic section. So let's assume I'm starting with the verbal section. So verbal section, I'm going to give 50 minutes for verbal. 50 minutes or 55 minutes. Please keep a note of all these things. So draw the table. Verbal section, 25 question, 55 minutes or 60 minutes. Depending on 50 to 60 के बीच में जो आपको टाइमर डालना है डाल दो वहाँ पे. So in the verbal section, 25 में से 15 question are going to be RC. So next 5 days I wanted to focus on RC क्योंकि RC improve कर लिया अपना 15 attempt आराम से होएगा. Now out of this 15 question, around 10 question are going to be fact based, 5 question are going to be inference based. ठीक है, so 10 question is going to be my target. All the question which are inference based I'm going to do them first. Sorry, the fact based I'm going to do first. 5 inference based wala maybe I can do in the second phase. ठीक है. After that 4 question will be on parajumbles. Parajumble, close, grammar, हर एक का एक दो question आता रहेगा. ठीक है. So पहले RC is my main thing I have to work on. So those who given CAT they understand the importance of RC. बिना RC के तुम CAT नहीं निकाल सकते, बिना RC के तुम CMAT नहीं निकाल सकते. तो CMAT I have to work on RC. That should be my main target and other areas. तो आराम से you can attempt 22 marks in the verbal section. If your accuracy is not that great, target only 20 attempt, otherwise आराम से 22-23 तक तुम्हारा attempt जाएगा. ठीक है. Second section I want to pick up is GK section. GK में static GK, current affair. I need to work on both the sides. So if you can go through the PDF I uploaded earlier on CMATking.com/GK. CMATking.com/GK I uploaded a PDF with all the current affairs. And if you are a CMATking student, आपके login ID में we have videos for GK. So GK 40 करके. Last exam जो TIS का हुआ था, lot of people told me that lot of videos have come, lot of questions have come from those videos. So these kind of videos will help you in the GK section. ठीक है. तो the GK we can improve through videos. So your attempt have to be around 12 to 15 in the GK section. ठीक है. So we need 10 minutes time for the GK section. So if I want to spend more time on logic, I'll spend 50 minutes on verbal and 10 minutes on GK. तो अपना 1 घंटा हो गया, आधा पेपर सॉल्व हो गया, 50% पेपर इज डन. ठीक है. Then move to the logic section. Now if I put 1 hour for verbal, I need to put 50 minutes for logic. If I put 50 minutes for logic, I can put 1 hour for verbal section. So you have to decide how many marks you have to put, how much time you have to put for which section. Now logic section is going to be the easiest paper of the CMAT paper. 15 question out of 25 is going to be based on puzzles. तो puzzle is something you need to work on. और 2 ही टाइप का puzzle इसमें आता है. Number 1 is your matrix and number 2 is the grouping. मतलब 4 doctor, 5 engineer there. Ram is an engineer, cannot go with this, he cannot go with that. So all these kind of combination you have to make. Easy question, trust me. Apart from this, you will get 1-2 question from every topic. Digestion science, blood leadership, coding, decoding. Every topic is 1 to 2 marks. So if you can practice all these things over the next 5 years, I can score more marks. And trust me, you can get 25 by 25 correct in this area. So एक आधा क्वेश्चन नहीं कर पाया is maybe because of you don't know the topic. Series हो गया या they introduce something new which we don't know at all. So एक आधा marks कम होएगा. तो 23, 24, 25 can be easy attempt in this chapter. तो GK में जो कसर आया वो logic can fulfill that gap. ठीक है. Last section I want to keep is quant. Quant में main thing is arithmetic. 25 में से 15 marks is arithmetic. Profit and loss, percentages, ratios, averages, mixtures. Time, speed, distance, time and work. 2-2 घंटा डालो. we can complete all these topics. And जिसने CAT दिया, you just have to revise all these things. ठीक है. In quant section, every question is going to be as easy as solved example. Easy. But if you're not able to solve any question, will be because you don't remember the formula or you don't know how to solve that. मतलब जो भी आप टॉपिक पढ़ के जाओगे उसका क्वेश्चन आप आराम से निकाल लोगे. The level of difficulty is going to be very very simple. तो easily you can touch 20. ठीक है. Overall target is 80. Attempt 20 quant, 12 to 15 GK, मतलब less than more. Then verbal and logic I can do 22 to 25. Overall attempt 80 हो गया. अभी नेगेटिव मार्किंग के ऊपर है, तुम्हारी किस्मत के ऊपर है. किस्मत बहुत पांडू निकली, सब क्वेश्चन रॉन्ग किए तो ऑब्वियस स्कोर कम आएगा. बट इफ यू हैव मेंटेन्ड अ गुड एक्यूरेसी, यू कैन ईजिली टच 62 मार्क्स, विच इज अराउंड 99 परसेंटाइल. ठीक है. सो आई वॉन्ट यू टू मेक अ प्लान सेक्शन वाइज सेक्शन. सो नेक्स्ट 5 days आई वॉन्ट यू टू गिव 4 mocks, 1 mock every day and fine tune the strategy. How much time you need to solve, put for what area. For example, verbal 50 minutes is more than sufficient, but if you're taking more time in RC and getting a better accuracy, put more time. 1 घंटा डालो चलेगा. Put 50 minutes in logic and 1 hour in quant and 10 minutes for GK. Order of preference, I have to decide whether to start with verbal or I will start with logic. I won't start with always verbal because verbal is something तुम अगर पैटर्न चेंज भी करोगे तो मेरे को फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. Now this year NTA National Testing Agency is taking over CMAT and going to make the paper. So we don't know whether they're going to follow same pattern or the new pattern. New pattern जो भी आएगा उसमें भी RC होएगा, पैरा जंबल होएगा, पैरा कंप्लीशन होएगा. So why to worry about that? Puzzle उसमें भी रहेगा. So once I'm doing the puzzles, I am being prepared for all those kind of puzzles. ठीक है. So do expect a little bit of new pattern because of NTA. Even I don't want the new pattern to come, but why to take any chances? ठीक है. So give 3-4 mocks. Make your final strategy. Attempt have to be 80 plus for 99 percentile, and for 90 percentile, which is around 200 marks, which is divided by 4 के तो 50 correct. For 50 correct, I have to attempt around 65 attempt. So those who want 90 percentile, your attempt have to be 65. Those who want 99 percentile, attempt have to be 80, and those who want 99.9 percentile for 300 marks, 75 correct, you have to attempt 85 to 90 question. ठीक है. So 90 attempt, 80 attempt and 65 attempt is going to be your ideal attempt for this course. So go to cetking.com/CET, cetking.com/CET. I've uploaded the cutoff for every college. So 99.9 percentile, which is 300 marks, is a percentile required for MS courses. For PGDM program at all the B schools, the cutoff is around 97, 95 to 99 percentile, which is around 80 attempt. And for 90 percentile, which is for other B schools, so your attempt should be around 65. So whichever you want to target, make a strategy and follow that. 5 days is enough, trust me, because you're just going to revise everything. We've done everything एक बार. हमारा बस कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इज गोइंग डाउन बिकॉज आई नॉट गॉट ग्रेट स्कोर्स इन द अदर एग्जाम्स. हमें लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे भी कम आएगा. अभी हिम्मत मत हारो. 5 days बाकी है, लेट्स डू इट. CET वेटी सब बैग बने पे डाल दो. 5 दिन CET का मॉक नहीं देगा, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. ठीक है. तो 5 days लेट्स फोकस ऑन द CMAT एग्जाम एंड लेट्स क्रैक इट. ठीक है. ऑल द बेस्ट. थैंक यू.